Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about folding iPhone. Apple is working on folding iPhone. I will talk about the price, design, release date and the other things as well. Viewers, as per some sources, they are claiming that Apple is working on a foldable smartphone, and this smartphone looks like Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And if you talk about the OLED screen is supplied by Samsung to Apple, and the design will look like Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, whereas the shape will also look like. But what is going to change? Apple is working on a protective glass because Apple wants that if you use this folding smartphone, they don't want to glass to be break out. They are working on a glass to make it protective, that doesn't matter how much you use, the glass will be safe. That's why they are taking time. This is one of the main reason. Whereas, if you talk about the release date of this smartphone, we can't expect to release this smartphone very soon. So we can say till 2023, until 2023. We can't expect to release this smartphone. Actually, Apple is also looking at the market as Samsung has won the race for its foldable smartphone. Now, Apple is looking how people are reacting to this folding smartphone, to this new technology, new design, how people are used to this. Just Apple want to make sure that what mistakes Samsung has done, they don't want to repeat these mistakes. If you talk about the price, as per the sources, they are claiming the price could be around 1500 US dollars, which is a good price, not a very much high price. So let's see. I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.